travel with Getty. Dear travel with Getty. Dear mom here. Happy birthday. Oh. Guys, I just got back from Malaysia, Singapore, Doha. And my daughter surprised me for my birthday. My birthday was last week because I was outside the country, and this is what I have for my birthday. That's gift bag with the balloons. Let's unveil together and see what's in the bag, okay? So let's see if we can do. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Let's see. Ooh, it's heavy. Sounds like good stuff, good stuff. Oh my God, she went all out. Guys, look at that. This is expensive stuff. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my Lord. Samantha, what a surprise this is. Oh my God, I need somebody to hold this camera so I can open this. What? Oh, this is a beautiful card. Look, guys. Oh my God, this is gonna make me cry. Mom, you are loved. Guys, I am truly, truly loved. My Lord, oh my Lord. What? Apple Store. Oh my God, look. They went shopping. They went to the Apple Store and got everything from iPad Air. Guys, look. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. Look guys, look. Oh, and the magic keyboard. Guys, what do you do when your children do so much for you? I don't even know what to say. I don't even know how to thank them. This is huge. This is a big gift. I told them not to do anything. They always do a lot. And they always do more and more. Every year is more and more. What a blessing, guys. Magic keyboard and iPad Air M3 chip. Guys, iPad Air 13-inch M3. I can travel with this to do the business, the YouTube travel with Getty. Guys, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to their channel. They are on social media. Sammy's Diaries, Sammy's Travel Diaries, Sammy's Cooking Diaries. Support her and bless her father. And Goni's a chef. Goni, he bakes good cakes, like better than what you buy from the store. So bless your. Welcome back to my channel. It is so good to have you back. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you like the information that we are sharing today, please don't forget to subscribe and share the information with your friends and your colleagues. And if you are a follower, thank you for coming back. And I got a surprise, guys, when I came back. It was here with the gifts. For my birthday, I got a huge surprise from my daughter and my son-in-law. I got a beautiful birthday card with lots of love and message in here. I already read it in the other video. So this is what I got for my birthday. So I'm gonna unbox with you. So I got a pencil. I did not know it was a pencil. I thought it was a stylus pen. So I'm learning as well. It says pencil, pencil. It's almost similar to like a stylus pen. So guys, this is my first time having these items. I usually have like a MacBook, but this is new to me. So my surprise, my birthday surprise, I'm discovering and learning about it as we go, okay? So we're gonna unbox together the pencil, and then we have this beautiful package. This one is a iPad Air 13-inch M3, so it is an M3 chip, so good for content editing and all that, graphics. Wi-Fi enabled, I think. So my gift, my computer has been acting up, and I got this, that, this, and more. So I got also the Magic Keyboard, iPad Magic Keyboard. So where shall we start? Where do we begin?
Pencil.
We start with the pencil.
Yeah.
We start with the pencil, so I can see. I'm just following the arrows. Ooh, do I need a scissors maybe? Okay. So I guess as soon as we put this thing, yeah, maybe for the big one. Ah, yes, unboxing the pencil, designed by Apple in California. All right, the pencil, what's in here? The manual and everything. Good, so it comes with a manual. So you can follow the manual if you get lost on how to use it. Okay, we're gonna put that aside so that it won't take too long. And here is it. It's falling off of the thing. It would be nice to show you in the box, right? The pencil. Guys, I am so thankful and grateful to these children. I don't know how I'm gonna thank them, but the Lord knows my heart. So thank you so much. And we go to the Magic Keyboard.
I think we should do the keyboard first so that when...
Alright, let's do the keyboard next. Magic Keyboard iPad. So I don't know what this means. You can open it like this or open it like this or flat. Is that what it means? Yeah. So we're gonna follow the arrows to unbox. Alright, and the next arrow to unbox. Alright, and that opens where? Looks like I'm gonna have to do upside down here.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Are you all ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, okay. This is so cool. This is so cool, guys. I like that. I like how they wrap everything. You can tell this is brand new from the store. Ooh, with that apple. Alright. I'm thinking opens like a... Alright, okay. I guess I have to do this.
It's just like your smart book.
Just like a smart book. This is the iMagic. I want to know what's magic about it, so I guess I'll have to learn as I go.
Is it Bluetooth or what? I don't know how it connects.
Bluetooth, mail. I guess once we read the manual or if it says in the back, hopefully we'll get more information. We'll discuss about the magic of it. Alright, so in here there's nothing. It was just the page. Oh, there is something in there. Could be a manual. And here is the M3 chip. iPad Air 13. Good size where I can travel. Usually I don't travel with my computer because I'm just lazy to carry. It's too heavy. And we're gonna unbox this one as well. So follow the arrow. Okay, guys. I feel like I'm rushing myself. I like how colorful it is. Alright, and here, are you all ready? Dun, 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 dun. So thin.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so light. Easy, I won't leave this. I'll travel with it wherever I go, guys. Oh, the wrapping part of it is so good. It's like I don't want to mess it up. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. I feel like I'm opening my silver plug that's coming from YouTube after 100,000 subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But guys, this is so thin. Look at that.
What does it say on the back?
On the back? It's engraved. So even if I lose this, just like I just lost my camera, my DJI, I wish I had engraved it. It's engraved with my name on it. It says what? Travel with Getty, my channel name. So I guess I'm not rebranding. I was thinking to rebrand my channel. It is engraved with my name on it. Travel with Getty. Okay, I'm gonna keep it a travel with Getty. So travel with me. One country at a time, one city at a time, until we travel the whole world, every country in the world. So we are doing region by region. So we have covered so many countries in Southeast Asia. We've covered so many countries, a few countries in United Arab Emirates. We've covered a few in America. We've covered a few in Africa. We've covered a few in Europe. What have we left that we haven't gone to?
South America.
South America.
And Australia.
And down under Australia. So yeah, we have loads of places to go to. So guys, oh my God, what a beautiful gift. And what else is in here? It comes with thing and the cable. What do you call it? The head.
Yeah.
And the cable. So that's good to know when you buy. If you buy from someone, you may not have this, but you buy from Apple, it comes with that code and the box. The thing that I just learned, that this iPad with the magic keyboard is magnetic. So all you do is just that. And voila, you got your keyboard and your iPad together. So you can use the keyboard or you can use the pencil. It's not on, so once we turn it on, so maybe I need to figure out, oh, the pen was in a plastic paper too. Oh, there's the pen. Does it have an eraser?